Hey y'all, it's your girl Bree. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you're not new, girl. What do you do? I'm super excited today because look at the hair. I bet you think this mine, but it ain't. Girl, this wig is so beautiful. It's so realistic. It mimics my hair to a T. And we're gonna get into that later on. Yo, give it up for this U-part wig from Kinkistry that I didn't know I needed. Okay, the fact that I can have my natural hair, you know, curly look without my actual hair being out and it still looks like my hair, it's a win for me. I just absolutely love it. I keep looking at myself in the mirror. Sorry y'all. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I installed this U-part wig. This is my first time ever having a U-part wig. This was really basically effortless. Inside the box was the wig, this Hydrolux moisturizing defining gel, moisturizing enhancer gel. I'll show you guys later on how this works so you'll see it in action. And then they also put this in the box. I'm not sure what this is, okay? Me and my mom were trying to figure it out. My mama said it might just be a prop. I thought it was a little fan action, but I'm not really sure. However, it is cute and it does actually work as a fan. So I like it. Last but not least, their care instructions. That's all that was in the box. Let's go ahead and get to the juicy part of the video.
So this is the 20-inch Kinkgenetics U-part wig, and I'm just going in and applying some water and some conditioner to kind of help those curls really pop, you know, get them all juicy and moisturized. So on the care instructions, it says to use a certain type of conditioner, but I ain't had that, so I just used what I had in my stash. Left it on for 30 minutes to an hour, more so on the hour side, and I was good to go. I was ready to rock and roll. As you can see, this hair, after applying that conditioner, it was so easy to detangle. It actually looks like my hair. Like, it's crazy how much this hair mimicked my hair, from the curl pattern to the porosity, even down to the shedding. Like, it acted exactly how my natural hair would act. To prep, I just take some braids that I already had and I'm just pinning them up so that they don't hang beneath the wig when I put it on. And I just go ahead and slick my edges back real quick just so it's nice and sleek underneath that wig and everything looks kind of cohesive when I put it on. The wig came with a lot of straps and clips, which really helps to secure it nicely on your head. I really had to play with it a little bit because my head is, you know, my head shaped a little funny, just a little bit. But after getting it on and kind of sizing it how I want it and, you know, figuring out how it goes and everything like that, I was starting to really like it. As you can see, it has, like I said, these straps in the back, all these clips, and it really made for an easy process. Being as though this was my first time ever having a U-part wig, I felt very confident, and just look at how beautiful this is. Now we get into some customizations, which this had to be my favorite part because I absolutely love defining the curls. So in my spray bottle, I just have a mix of water, some leave-in conditioner, and some oil, which per the care instructions, it tells you, you know, that's the best way to keep the hair moisturized. So I spray that, get that all throughout the section, and then I go in with that Hydrolux gel on top to just enhance the curls. I go in with my detangling brush just to detangle everything and make sure each curl has a chance to pop on its own, and the results are just stunning. Like, it's just absolutely beautiful. It really gave me my hair effect. Like, I was in awe, and just look at how beautiful this is. The length was perfect, curls are popping, and now I'm ready to finish it and put this style all together. I ended up taking that twist out in the front so that the curl pattern would give wash and go like the rest of the hair. And so I just defined it with the leave-in and then added a little bit of gel. And here I am just, you know, tweaking it to fit the wig. I'm not sure if I was supposed to cut those elastics off. I don't think I was, because it kind of helps to keep the wig up there in that area. So I just kind of put the hair through those little sections and blended it in like I'm doing now so that it gave a natural and seamless effect. This part was so satisfying to me. I was just like, wow, like this actually looks like my hair. I decided to go with no part just because the middle, I don't know, I'm not an expert yet, so I wasn't sure on how to give the part effect without showing any of the bands, but I thought this was really cute. Edges laid, curls popping, everything was just doing it for me.
So that brings me to the end of this video. It was a process, but it really wasn't that hard. Take it from me, I am a beginner, and look how I did it. Look how I did it. That is all I have for you guys in this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell to notify each and every time we go post a new video. And that's all I have for you guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye, girl.